HMD Skyline charging board replacement video tutorial. Press the power key and switch off the phone. Take the T3 torque screwdriver and turn the screw at the bottom edge to the left until the back cover pops off. Insert an opening pick under the bottom left corner and gently slide it along the bottom edge to release the clips and break the seal. Carefully lift the cover and remove it from the phone. Use T3 torque screwdriver to remove the screws, then gently lift the bracket. Use a flat tool to gently disconnect the battery connector. Use a SIM ejection pin to gently pull out the SIM tray. Use T3 torque screwdriver to remove all the screws, then use metal tweezers to carefully pull them out. Insert the tip of a flat tool under the center of the loudspeaker's top edge, then gently lift to release the clips. Use flat end of a tool under the bottom right corner. Use tweezers under the metal head of the antenna connector, then apply upward pressure to disconnect it. Use the flat tool to lift up the charging board and remove it. Charging board installation. Insert the board at a slight downward angle, aligning the USB-C port with its designated cutout, and gently press the connector. Use the markings on the board to make sure the cables get connected to the correct socket, B for black and W for white. Place the loudspeaker in position and press firmly around its edges to snap the clips into place. Use tweezer and insert the screws. Use T3 torque screwdriver to tighten the screws securely. Carefully connect the battery connector, then gently press them to ensure they are properly inserted. Install the battery connector cover. Insert the screws and use the T3 torque screwdriver to fasten them securely. Insert the SIM tray gently. Position the back cover onto the frame and press firmly around the edges to snap all the clips back into place. Thank you for watching.